Students, in this we'll do some more questions based on the concept of matrices. So let us do one question. First one, if the number of elements in a matrix the number of elements in a matrix are 24, what are the possible orders? So it's very simple. What we have to do is only simply split 24 into two parts. So let us see the solution of this one. 24 can be written as 12 into 2. It can be also written as 24 into 1. Also we can write it as 8 into 3, 6 into 4. And also the reverse of this, that is 2 into 12, 1 into 24, 3 into 8 and 4 into 6. So these are the possible orders. So there are 8 possible orders. 8 possible orders. Now some of you may think that these two are equal. They are not equal because 12 into 2 means there are 12 rows and 2 columns. This shows that 2 into 12 means there are 2 rows and 12 columns. So they are not equal. So there in total are 8 possible orders. Now another type of question which is very common and coming in the board exams is that they will give you a matrix A and the elements will not be given, but the pattern and the order of the matrix will be given. Suppose A equal to a matrix of order say 3 cross 2 and Aij is equal to suppose I plus j by 2. So the pattern is common in all the elements given and we have to find the matrix A. And how many rows are there? 3 rows and 2 columns. So let us see how we can solve this. A very simple one. Solution. So what we will do, first of all, let us write the general elements of this matrix. There are 3 rows. So and 2 columns. So 3 rows means A11 and A12. We will not go further because that will give us the third column. And how many columns are there? Only 2 columns. So second one, A11 is first row, first column, first row, second column. A21, A22. Then we have A31 and A32. Now this is the order of this is 3 cross 2. That is how many rows are there? 1 row, 2 row and 3 row. There are 3 rows and 2 columns. So this is a matrix of order 3 cross 2. And now we have to fill up the elements in this very simple one. Let us see for the first one. In general, what is Aij? Aij equal to I plus j divided by 2. And let us see the entry first one. First element is A11. The first entry here is I. The second one is j. So I is 1 here, j is 1. Let us put the values 1 plus 1 by 2. That is 2 by 2. So it's 1. A11 is 1. Now let us find the value of A12. Again, the formula is same. We have to add these two numbers. Here I is 1, j is 2. So 1 plus 2 by 2. That is A12 equal to 3 by 2. Now students, let us go for the second element, first element of the second row. A21 again I and j. So 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 3 by 2. Now let us go for A22. A22 equal to 2 plus 2 by 2, that is 4 by 2. So the answer is of course 2. Then let us go for A31. A31, that is I plus j, 3 plus 1 by 2 equal to 4 by 2, so it's 2. And A32 again, I and j are 3 and 2, 3 plus 2 by 2, so that is 5 by 2. Therefore A equal to, now we'll write down all the elements which we have obtained here: A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. So let us write them. First we'll write A11. What is our A11? 1. Then next we'll go for A12. What is A12? A12 is 3 by 2. That is 3 by 2. Here 3 by 2. Next we'll go for A21. A21 is 3 by 2. So we'll write here 3 by 2. Again A22 is, you can see the value is 2. So we'll write here 2. Then further we'll go for the next one, that is A31. A31 is 2. So write here 2, and the value of A32 is 5 by 2. And the order of course here is, how many rows are there? 3, and columns are 2. So 3 cross 2. So this is our solution of the question which have been. Now students, on the basis of what I have taught you, you will do your homework is practice work. Practice work is exercise 3.1, question number 2, 3, 4 and 5. You will complete from the textbook. So this is what will be your homework. In the next topic we will learn the types of matrices.